Everybody, today I'm gonna be showing you how to install and how to set up your Camphish. This video is only for educational purposes only. Don't use it to harm somebody or to do something illegal. This video is only for educational purposes, so please be careful what you do and how you use it. So for first one, we're gonna open the terminal. We're gonna paste inside. I'll leave it in the comments. So you should type this, then hit ready. I just have it already installed, so I shouldn't do this, but you have to do this to type this inside if you want this to work. Then you should type cd cam fish cam fish. Okay, the next step is to type bash camphish.sh. Okay, then we hit enter. Then we're in the Camphish page. Now we only need to turn on Cloudflare tunnel. That's the tune. Then you can choose here from festival watching, live YouTube TV, online meeting. I will just paste festival wishing, then one, enter the festival name. I'll name it tutorial. Then everything is loading. Okay, now it's ready. We can see right here the link that we got that we need to send to the person that is our victim. Now, what we should do, we have to send this link to the victim, and if the victim opens the link, they will get a pop-up like this. Loading, please wait. If they allow, please enter in it. I'll enter this and allow while visiting the site. If you allow, this website is gonna take pictures of your webcam. So I'll hold my hands in front of my face so you can't see my face. Okay, now I'm closing. So you can see in here cam file received from my IP address. I'm gonna blur my IP address, so I don't want everybody to get access to my IP address. Now what we should do, we have to go to home or the file system, it doesn't matter. Then we're gonna just go to Kali, then Camphish, and then you all can see my image that got taken from me. Okay, that was basically the entire tutorial.